Hello viewers, my today's video is about how to open a YouTube channel. This would be transformed into a complete playlist from opening YouTube channel till its monetization. I also added latest definition of text in the video, so for more clarity, still the video and read the latest definitions. Now on screen please. So now let's open YouTube and click sign in. We will start from scratch. Use another account to create a new email address. Create account. For personal use, it is for single individual using one email address. For child, obviously for kids, and for business require two email addresses. One for running the channel and the second one for contact between employees and owner of channel. Now feed your first name and last name, click next. Day, month, year of your date of birth and gender obviously. Click next. Get a Gmail address, click on it and it will create a Gmail address for you. Feed the password, repeat password, click next. And this part recovery email is placed at end, so from here I am going to skip it. Click next and click next. Now click agree and your channel is ready. Now click on your logo, create a channel. We are already inside our channel, but now we are using configuration or to make the configuration to the latest time. So click on picture, select from web or computer, it's up to you, and create channel. Now your channel has been created, however it requires latest configuration. So click customize channel and then click continue. Now basic info, click on it. Now you can add anything with your name. Let me add mix. Then after this is handle, it's a unique identifier assigned by the YouTube to the owner, and description is typically below your video explaining the video. Now add language. Click on it and add the language which is your original, and in front of this you will require translation. So I'm using English in both cases, so I'm using to feed my own. Channel description is the text explaining about your videos or contents, whatever you wish to upload. Click done. Now let's go add links. These are the links of Facebook, Twitter, etc. to promote your channel. In the beginning, these are very useful to promote your channel and to gain views. You can also delete by pressing delete sign. Now let's go for email. It's alternate email address. You can use this for safety and security and contacting with each other. In case if you forgot your password, you can recover it. Now let's go for picture and banner. Size is already mentioned, so you may read this, and an attractive banner, an attractive picture is always better. Now click layout and channel trailer. The trailer serves as introduction of your channel and viewing, which is targeting new subscriber. It appears on the top of the channel. Featured video is the video which appear in front of your already subscribed users, or it's a new video every time. Now click publish. Let's go now, click settings, and in general use $, preferably, then click channel, and in channel. Now country of residence, it's the country from which you are running the channel. So open it and select your own country, and keywords serve as the key to find your channel from far and wide or worldwide. Click save. Now second is intermediate feature, so these are very necessary. Verify your phone, click on it and they will send you a code or call, so feed your number and feed the 6-digit code and click submit. Now number 3, advanced feature. It's very important. You can verify this or activate this through video verification, a video of at least 1 minute in front of camera or a valid CNIC submitting to the YouTube. And the third option is channel history. So the third option also, in case if you record your videos in front of camera or you appear in your videos, so this automatically done with due course of time. Now click save. Once again, let's go to settings, and in setting click upload default, a title of YouTube given to a video which appear prominently at the top, and description is the contents which explain about your channel or video. Now click the last option and click public. It must be selected as visibility. Now let's go to advanced settings, and advanced settings, click on language caption certification. In my case I click English, you may use your own. At the same time, these are the categories, it's related to your videos or your channel, so select the appropriate one in which you would like to upload your videos. Now let's go for the last option, caption certification, so simply select the first one and click save and open to permissions. It's up to you, as if you would like to a senior person to inspect your channel. Then community, you can filter words, etc., or if you would like to block any XYZ from abusing, so you can add here words. Now click default and hold potentially inappropriate chat. You must check it. Now click agreement and just save it. Our channel is ready, and now let's feed your own picture. So click on the picture, add profile picture from computer, and I strongly suggest you to upload your own picture or take a picture in front of camera, so you may be identified easily. So in my case, I did upload a picture of the person who is the owner of this channel. Click done. Add confirm your recovery email. It's very important. Select your country and your phone number. The YouTube will send you 6-digit code. Feed that code and activate dual verification, which is very beneficial against hack, or in case if you forget your password, so this would be once again in use. Click next, and now a recovery email on alternate email address, so feed this. At the same time, it will send you a code or copy the code and paste it. Click next, and the last two options, your home address and useful updates. So read this and update it. Click done. I hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.